Your person is acutely aware that this connection isn't progressing in the direction they had originally envisioned. Despite exhausting every conceivable effort to make it fade away, they will come to a stark realization. The reason behind their relentless attempts to create distance between you and them is rooted in the overwhelming nature of the love they feel for you. Normally a paragon of emotional strength and control, your person finds themselves facing uncharted territory. When they first encountered you, they could never have fathomed the loss of their emotional grip. They gained the insight that the love they feel for you possesses an unparalleled power over them, a revelation that borders on the terrifying. This is especially doubting for an individual who has diligently concentrated emotional fortification throughout their life, allowing few to penetrate their inner sanctum. Yet your love has the potential to dismantle these defenses. Their awakening involves the stark recognition that forgetting you or ceasing to love you is beyond their capacity. This connection with you serves as an inexorable force, compelling them to dismantle those barriers and allow the radiance of your love to flood their heart. While they might be adept at maintaining superficial connections with others, it is your presence alone that causes their heart to swing wide open, urging them to embrace love wholeheartedly without reservation or restraint. In no uncertain term, your person is determined not to revert to the tumultuous energy of their past. They have, with profound introspection, come to the understanding that their previous attributions of blame towards you for their internal conflicts were misguided. Now they comprehend that these conflicts originate from their own deeply rooted personal struggles. The desire to communicate with you burns fervently within your person. Through this connection, you have imparted one of the most profound lessons of their life, the art of giving and receiving love with an open heart. This journey of love and self discovery through challenging has brought them to a place where they are ready to embrace the transformative power of your love and relinquish the control they once held so dear. In essence, your person has embarked on an odyssey of emotional growth, and the path ahead are illuminated by the profound understanding that your love has forever changed them, compelling them to step out of their comfort zone and into the radiant light of love's embrace. Thank you for watching.